Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Crystal, and everybody's gonna hate me for this, because lots of people have been loving my pink hair, but I'm getting rid of this shit today, so anybody wants to see how I do it without bleach, then keep on watching. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is putting a towel around my neck, and make sure you have like a bleach shirt or whatever, like your dye shirt, so you don't get it on your clothes or anything. And I put a little clip here so it actually stays in place when I'm moving around and stuff like that. Kind of looks like a little cape, but helps it from flopping around when I'm walking around the house or whatever with this shit in my hair. So, and the product I'm using is not bleach. It's actually the L'Oreal hair color remover, which I have used like a bunch of times before. It's just everybody asks like how I get the color out of my hair, and I haven't bleached my hair in a year. So, using this. And some people said this stuff doesn't work, but I've used it plenty of times to say it does work. I've used it so many times, but this will come out like instantly because it's just faded out pink. It's just no more will come out when I shower, like at all. And it looks super light on camera, but it's actually still pretty pink, especially underneath. And I'm not doing my roots or anything because I'm keeping them dark. I've had them dark for about a year. I just let them grow out this year, or this past year, which I haven't done before. Like, I used to let them grow, but not this long. Like, this has been the longest they've gotten. Anyways, so what comes in this box of the color remover is, where's part one? Part one, which is the hair color remover developer in this bottle, and the hair color remover powder, which you just mix this in here, and then it's got like a little nozzle up here, so you can just kind of squeeze it out. And it comes with gloves too. They're just stuck to the directions, which I don't know the directions because I've used this so many times. But if you need to, it's okay. It's pretty simple to do though. And it is going to be a little damaging because it's chemicals you're putting in your hair, but it's not as bad as bleach because I would know. Used it plenty of times. I thought I had to sneeze, but it went away. So let's continue. So I am going to clip my hair at least a little bit over here because this is like the darkest back here is the pink area, so I'm going to do like this. Sometimes I don't use a clip, sometimes I do. But I'm going to use one for at least this section because this is, yeah. And you're going to need your gloves, and if you don't have any, they have some in the box, so it actually comes with like everything you need. You don't need a bowl or anything, you just mix it in this thing, you shake it up. Just make sure when you shake it, you put your finger on this and then just go like that, so it doesn't squeeze out everywhere. Because I did that one time. It's not fun. Kind of squirted like all in my dresser. It's not good. Gloves are huge, but if you don't want to use these, they also have some at Sally's Beauty Supply and Dollar Tree if you just need some kind of rubber gloves, like these, or plastic gloves. You're just going to take this and open it and pour it. It smells terrible. I haven't used this in a very long time, so ooh, stinks like ass. You're just pouring it in the bottle, like so. And if you need to open a window because it's so strong, like bleach, like it smells bad, it's not bleach, but I don't know, it just stinks. I tried other color removers, but, well, I've only tried one other one. I think it was Color Fix. I did not like it at all. It did not do shit to my hair, like whatsoever. This one has been like my favorite so far, and it's affordable as hell. It's like maybe $8 or $9 at Walmart and Wegmans. I don't know about other stores where they sell it at. It's pretty affordable compared to like Color Oops, which I have not tried yet because it's way too expensive for me. At least here it is. About like $15 at Walmart on me. And Rite Aid, like that's too much when I can just get this one that works just as good. I just wish they would like make me maybe a bigger bottle, or just, I don't know. It's the only thing I don't like about it. Maybe the bottle could be bigger and like more product in there, but that's if you have a lot of hair. I don't have that much hair, so make sure it's sealed all the way. You're just gonna shake it like this, hold the top of it, the little nozzle is, and just shake it like you would do with like liquid color, basically. Pretty easy. I'm just gonna start applying this to my hair right here, and just look in the mirror because I have like 2 mirrors near me, and just put it on the color part that I'm trying to get rid of. smells like ass. It really does. Better than bleaching your hair, that's like 40 to develop it, which I haven't even done that. I don't even think I've ever done that. I don't think I've ever used 40. I think the most I've used is like 30. And that's still a lot. And this will probably work really quick, so I probably won't even leave it in that long, because faded pink is pretty easy to get out. Unlike, see how it's already like changing the color? Like this stuff works pretty quick. Just with blues and other like tones of color, it's probably gonna take a little bit longer. Pinks are pretty easy to get out with those, so I won't have to leave this in that long. Maybe like 20 minutes, 25 minutes tops. Maybe not even that long. Because it's already starting to process it out of my hair, which is awesome. Okay, so I got all of it throughout my hair where the pink was, not up here, because this is like my root area, and it's super grown out, so it's probably just gonna look like ombre on my hair. But this is like almost on processing, so I'm probably gonna leave it in for like maybe 10 more minutes, not even. And then rinse it out and run a little toning shampoo through it, because I know there's gonna be like yellow tones in there from the pink. And I'm gonna use my it's basically Shimmer Light shampoo, but it's called the generic brand. But it's from Sally's. It's literally the same thing. It just has a different name on it. It's literally the same thing, and it's just cheaper, like maybe a couple bucks cheaper, which is so good that they have that. So I'm gonna be using that after I rinse this out, and I'll have blonde hair soon. You know, my best friend's probably gonna hate me because she loved the pink, but I needed to change. I've had this pink for a fucking year, and I used to do my hair a different color every single month. Like, each month I would change it a different color. And pink, that is the first time I've had, like, a color in just 1 year. Haven't changed it whatsoever. Because it used to be purple up here, like, root area was purple, and then pink, and then I just started doing all pink. And now I'm gonna be blonde. I want to do purple soon, but I'm gonna leave this for a little bit until I have the money to actually do purple, so it doesn't like turn a funky looking purple, because I did that 2 years ago. Did not turn out good, just because I couldn't wait to have like color remover. I was like, no, I'm just gonna throw the purple on. Okay, rinse this out soon, and I might use a conditioning mask from my influencer box. I'm not really sure yet. If I don't, I'll probably use it tomorrow or something, let you guys know how it is, because I haven't tried any of them yet. I've only tried the Pravana thing, which I love this shit so much. Makes my hair nice and smooth and not tangly or anything. Yeah, I'm gonna go rinse this out in a little bit and probably let my hair air dry, and then I'll show you guys the finished results and see you guys soon. Hey everybody, so this is the finished product of my hair using the L'Oreal Paris Color Remover, and you can see I got all the pink out, every last bit of it. There is some yellows and like orange tones, but I did tone most of them out with the, this is what the toning shampoo looks like. It's literally Shimmer Light shampoo, just called generic value products. That's literally what they're called. But it literally does the same thing. Looks the same, everything. I'm almost out, but it literally, it's like the same thing as Shimmer Light, just cheaper. It's the only difference and different name. So, it's not tingly or anything, but I use the Pravana stuff too after I washed it and right before I brush it, and it helps it. But it's not really damaged at all. But I also haven't like I haven't colored my hair in about 2 months, and I haven't bleached it in about a year. So, and I use Artifact color, and that shit is not damaging like whatsoever. It makes your hair so smooth and silky. It smells amazing. It gives like the best color. I love Artifacts like so much. So tomorrow I'm probably going to film a little update on what it looks dry and everything, and probably do a hair mask tomorrow and let you guys know how that is and how this looks when it's fully dried and whatever else I decide doing with it. Like maybe style it or something. Who knows. But I'll let you know. And I guess I'll film a little bit tomorrow after I do my makeup and shit. So it is the next day from using color remover on my hair, and it's all styled and shit. And I did use the Verb hydrating mask. That's right here. I don't have it literally in here right now, but it's like a little white bottle that says Verb hydrating mask, and it did make my hair very, very soft. Like, I just went to a salon almost. Like, it's super soft and not frizzy at all, but I also straighten it. But and this is it dry and everything, and it turned out really, really good and blonde. It's like slightly a little bit yellow back here, but you can't really tell on camera. It's like a little bit yellow toned back here, but it's not the noticeable. I think it's just because there's brown back there, because this is my nail. So if you wanted an alternative to bleaching hair, then you should try the L'Oreal Paris color remover, because I use it so much, not so much, but when I'm trying to remove color out of my hair, or get to a color that I want to try or whatever, or just to be blonde, because this was bleached before, but it was a while back, so the pink was just on top of it, covering it. And I am going to keep my hair like this for a while, because it kind of looks like ombre. It looks pretty cool. I don't know, this looks pretty cool, because normally I do my roots blonde too. I haven't done it like this before, just let my roots grow out and then blonde on the ends, and I'm really liking it. So probably gonna be like this for a while. You know, some people are really gonna be pissed that I don't have pink hair anymore, but that's life. So it's my best friend. She gonna be a little happy. So I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial on how to not use bleach on hair, basically, and use something else to not really damage your hair. Hope you enjoyed how to do this. If you want to see more hair tutorials, just let me know down below. I'd be happy to do a bunch of them on like Marcel curling or anything, because I did take cause. I just haven't done stuff with it in a while. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and check out my other tutorials if you haven't done that, and I'll see you right in the next one. Bye.